Hi guys, let's talk about Jasmy real quick. I believe you all had a wonderful weekend. So welcome back. So Jasmy, the truth is Jasmy hasn't gathered enough trading volume in the last 24 hours. As you can see on your chart, the trading volume is down minus 27% in the last 24 hours. The total traded amount of Jasmy is $253 million across all exchanges. Jasmy is still ranked 104 out of 8,867 active cryptocurrencies listed on CoinMarketCap. The current market cap of Jasmy is sitting at $754 million. Market cap is up 0.9%. Price is up 0.9%. Price is currently sitting at around 0.0153, which is still good. At least we haven't broken down below key level of support. Let's just look at Jasmy on the chart in order to analyze what we should expect next for Jasmy. And before I proceed, please, if you haven't liked this video, smash it to 100 likes. I really appreciate your support. And share this video to your friends and family, Twitter, Facebook, Reddit, wherever you want to share it to. So the truth is, Jasmy on 4-hour time frame, the price of Jasmy is currently trading at around 0.01529. We have 2 hours for this 4-hour candle to close, and as you can see, we have consistently continued to get rejected from this resistance zone around the 0.17 zone. We have consistently continued to get rejected from there. Now, the truth of the matter is, in the long run, the catalyst a lot of people are waiting for. If you notice, we have a very, very low trading volume from Jasmy now, which we haven't seen in the past days. I think it's been a while we saw that $200 million trading volume. The truth is, Jasmy, the catalyst a lot of people are waiting for in order to propel more price of Jasmy to the upside could be the token lockup that is coming up very soon, and also the roadmap release, Binance decision in removing Jasmy from the innovation zone. The list goes on and on and on. A lot of catalysts. There's a lot of planned event people are waiting for in order to decide if they should start aping big on Jasmy. So nowadays, Jasmy is in a level of indecisive state. And if you look at the chart, if you take a close look at the chart, you'll notice we are forming a bullish pennant. And this bullish pennant don't always, you understand, break out to the upside in as much as it's a bullish pennant. It's a very, very tricky pattern. Now, if you are mapping out the pattern, you see that this is an obvious bullish pennant. You see that this is an obvious bullish pennant. So the more the squeeze we get, the closer we are to either a breakout to the upside or a breakout to the downside for the price of Jasmy. So Jasmy is in an indecisive state now, like seriously. And like I told you guys in my previous video, I told you guys the moment Jasmy is getting rejected from this 0.17 zone, then we should expect 0.014 to act as support, as well as 0.012 to act as support. What happened? These two price points acted as support precisely as we predicted. So it is still valid. This two price area I mentioned is still valid. So should Jasmy lose this 0.014, then we should expect the price to easily drop to 0.012 respectively. We can as well still get a bounce from 0.012 the moment maybe Jasmy unfortunately drop to this zone, which is going to be another buy opportunity for whoever is watching this video and is looking to back more Jasmy. That is just the truth of the matter. So this bullish pennant is more like a tricky pattern, because we can get a massive breakout to the upside and we can as well get a rejection to the downside. Now, if we are getting a breakout to the upside, the previous liquidity zone we gave is likely to act as take profit area. If you paid attention to the previous liquidity zone we gave, let's just say Jasmy is breaking out to the upside and you drag it down. Now we touch the zone of 2 cents, which is close to this liquidity zone. But since we don't have any price friction all the way to the 2 cent area, the price is likely to shoot massively deeply into the 2-cent zone. We have already tapped into the 2-cent zone for this price target breakout to the upside. We're already at 0.023, but this exact liquidity zone I drew is 0.025. So the moment we are heading to 0.023, nothing is going to stop Jasmy from touching 0.025, from tapping into this liquidity zone as a whole. And if we are to break down to the downside, it's going to be very, very nasty, honestly, because it's likely to be maybe a breakdown to the downside massively. That's why I told you guys it's going to be a breakdown below this very important level, which is 0.085845. Remember, I told you guys, whatever happens, make sure Jasmy price never drops below this zone, because it's going to be we going back to square one. We're going back to where we came from. It took us, if not more than a year, if I'm not mistaken, to break above this 0.0845 zone. So it won't make sense for you guys to allow Jasmy to dump hard to that zone. If you're watching this video, play your part by holding strong. Don't be a paper hand, please. Let's check BTC out real quick. So this is BTC on the 4-hourly time frame. Remember, I told you guys in the previous video it will be difficult to make a prediction as long as BTC continue to consolidate inside this range. Now it has broken outside this range with massive volume of almost 13 if not 14% in just 24 hours. And as you can see, we have struck a very, very big resistance area, which is between $58,600 and $57,600. Now, as you can see on the 4-hour, this 4-hour candle is now rejecting bearishly. We have 2 hours 18 minutes for this 4-hour candle to close, to determine where we are likely to see next price move to the downside for BTC. We came there, we got a clean rejection. Now this price point between $57,600 and $58,600 has acted as support in October 2021. So that area is a very, very significant zone for BTC. And it has acted as resistance in November. It has acted as resistance in May 2021, November 2021 as well, April 2021, February 2021 as resistance. April 2021 as resistance. So this price area between 57,600 and 58,600 is a very, very significant zone for BTC. I don't know what BTC is trying to do, but the moment BTC is able to flip that zone into a support, then it's going to be a massive moonshot. Honestly, I don't know if BTC is trying to break all-time high very, very soon, even before they have it. But since this area has proven herself to be a massive rejection point, a massive rejection area, resistance area as well for BTC, I think the potential downside for BTC is more likely than the potential upside. Now this is the weekly, this is the 1 hour time frame, and as you can see, the 1 hour candle respected this zone as well. Now I think we have a massive pool of liquidity here which we are likely to feel. A massive pool of liquidity here. So if you are looking to take a long position, you have to maybe pay attention to this pool. By the time BTC drop to the zone between 55,500 and also 54,600 zone, that is likely to be a long position. Maybe a long position once again to 56,700 and 57,600 respectively. That is where your profit target is likely to be. Now this week, let's not ignore this week as well. This week can as well act as a quick reversal point. BTC can as well maybe have a quick reversal area at this week before retesting 57,000 once again. So that's that for that. Fingers crossed. Let's see how it goes. If we are not able to conquer the 58,600 and 57,600 zone, if we are not able to flip it into a support, then expect a massive rejection from there for BTC. And we are likely to start correcting to the downside in a couple of days. So that's that for that. My name is Isaac. Invest the amount you can afford to lose. Nothing is guaranteed in the crypto space. As always, peace out.